Which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 and so on is the first negative term? Find n or an less than 0. Solution. Given AP is 121, 117, 113 and so on. Here first term A is equal to 121. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to 117 minus 121. That is equal to minus 4. Nth term an less than 0, which implies a plus n minus 1 into d less than 0, which implies 121 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 less than 0, which implies 121 minus 4n plus 4 less than 0, which implies 125 less than 4n. Transposing 4 to the other side, we get n is greater than 125 by 4, which implies n is greater than 31.25. Therefore, 32nd term is the first negative term. Now, let us verify the above process. A is equal to 121, D is equal to minus 4, n is equal to 32. We know that nth term of AP is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, A32 is equal to 121 plus 31 into minus 4. That is equal to 121 minus 124. That is equal to minus 3.